What is the long-term cost of Honda Civic insurance? If you own or are considering a Honda Civic, you might be curious about the long-term costs associated with insuring this popular vehicle. Let's break down the details so you can plan accordingly. The annual insurance costs for a Honda Civic typically range from about $1,000 to $2,300. This variation depends on several factors, including the level of coverage you choose, the model year of your Civic, your personal driving profile, and where you live. On average, if you opt for full coverage insurance, you can expect to pay around $1,200 to $1,400 each year. This translates to roughly $100 to $120 each month. If you decide to go with minimum liability coverage, your costs will be significantly lower, often around $600 to $700 annually. Over the years, these costs can add up. They may fluctuate based on changes in your insurance premiums, which can be influenced by your age, driving history, and even regional insurance rates. For instance, a 40-year-old driver with a clean driving record might pay about $1,423 for full coverage. In contrast, younger drivers or those living in high-risk areas may face higher premiums. Different insurance providers offer varying rates for Honda Civic insurance. Companies like United Services Automobile Association and State Farm often provide competitive options. The model year of your Civic also plays a role in determining your premiums. Newer models generally cost more to insure due to their higher replacement values. Conversely, older models might have lower premiums but could incur higher repair costs. Several key factors influence the long-term cost of insuring a Honda Civic. The type of coverage you choose is significant. Full coverage, which includes collision and comprehensive insurance, will cost more than just state minimum liability coverage. Your personal characteristics, such as age, driving history, and gender, also affect your rates. Additionally, where you live can lead to wide variations in insurance costs, even between neighboring cities. The model year of your vehicle is another important consideration. Newer Honda Civics typically have higher premiums compared to older models. Lastly, the insurance provider you select can make a big difference. Different companies offer different rates and discounts, so it pays to shop around. To manage your long-term insurance costs effectively, consider maintaining a clean driving record and choosing coverage levels that suit your needs. Shopping around for competitive quotes can also help you find better rates. Some insurers provide discounts for safety features that are common in Honda Civics, which can further reduce your premiums. In summary, while the average annual insurance cost for a Honda Civic is around $1,200 to $1,400 for full coverage, the total long-term cost will depend on your individual circumstances. It can change over time based on your coverage needs, driving behavior, and market conditions.